Any substantial drop in blood pressure due to bleeding, dehydration, or some other cause is detected by the baroreceptors in the aorta and the carotid arteries. They send a nerve signal to the brainstem, which then initiates various corrective sympathetic reflexes. One of these mechanisms is a response in which the sympathetic fibers stimulate the granular cells of the kidney to secrete the enzyme renin. The liver synthesizes an inactive plasma protein called angiotensinogen, which is 453 amino acids long. The action of renin is to break a peptide bond that splits off a 10 amino acid chunk of that peptide called angiotensin 1. In the lungs and kidneys, an enzyme called angiotensin converting enzyme catalyzes a reaction that removes 2 more amino acids, converting it to an 8 amino acid hormone called angiotensin 2. And angiotensin 2 takes action to restore fluid volume and blood pressure in the following ways. 1. It is a powerful vasoconstrictor, which increases blood pressure throughout the body. 2. It increases the pressure in the glomerular arterioles to ensure wastes are still filtered out of the blood. 3. Constriction of the efferent arteriole, the glomerulus, promotes the reabsorption of water and sodium chloride by the peritubular capillaries to limit the volume of water being lost in urine. 4. It stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete the hormone aldosterone. Aldosterone promotes sodium and water reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubule and the collecting duct. 5. It stimulates the posterior pituitary gland to secrete antidiuretic hormone, which promotes water reabsorption by the collecting duct. And finally, it stimulates the sense of thirst and encourages water intake. All of these actions will increase fluid retention and/or volume and therefore increase blood pressure.